Hi there, I'm Victoria and Spencer-Kibble from Therapy, and I help professionals to cope with their grief and their sadness so they can live a happy life again, become happy again. And I just thought I'd drop on here today because my earlier posts were about the dentist. Now, certainly for my grief, it's all been about coping skills. And today, coping skills at the dentist is another thing that I have to do. So to cope really with the dentist, and as you can see, this is the tooth that I've actually had fixed, this one right here. If you look at my earlier posts on my Therapy or Victoria and Spencer-Kibble pages on Facebook and Instagram, you will see that there was a large crack in my tooth, just literally like it had charred away, like it chipped away. And unfortunately, when I had epiglottitis 10 years ago now, 2015, am I thinking right? No, 2010, that's right. The 15th of November 2010 is when I caught epiglottitis. And when I caught epiglottitis, I had 8 seizures in an hour. And those 8 seizures caused me to be in a coma. So I was in a medical coma for 11 days. And on retrieving the tubes out my throat, since then, the little baby tubes, the infant tubes, were the only tubes that could get into my throat. I've had quite a fear about the dentists. And it wasn't really there before, I don't think. I think nobody likes the dentist in particularly going, but we know how important it is to have our teeth in good condition. So ever since then, apparently I am getting acid reflux because of that epiglottitis. So basically I'm holding acid in my mouth and my teeth are wearing away from the inside. Now, I do have exceptionally straight teeth for somebody who's never actually had to have a brace, but my teeth are eroding, so they're wearing away. So that is why my tooth cracked for no reason. And obviously I needed to address that straight away because I didn't want it to get any worse. So because I do this wonderful therapy where I can drop myself into hypnosis, and the mind, it cannot hold conflicting thoughts. They simply cancel each other out. So imagination is definitely more powerful than knowledge, and when dealing with your own mind or the mind of others. So in a battle between certainly emotion and logic, emotion will always win. So your mind always does what it thinks you want it to do. So as I sat in that chair today, I decided not to have an injection or any numbing cream. And the dentist looked at me and kind of thought, are you crazy? But I just wanted to try the power of hypnotherapy and hypnosis for myself. So I didn't have a needle. I didn't have any numbing cream. I just simply dropped myself into hypnosis from beta to alpha to theta brainwaves. And whilst in that theta brainwaves, I'm highly suggestible. So whilst I was in that highly suggestible state, I told myself that this wasn't going to hurt. It was so I could keep my teeth nice and shiny and straight, and all my teeth are mine. And I kept saying it over and over again and taking my mind away from the pain and towards pleasure, because that is one of the rules of the mind. So certainly today was a really good thing for me to do. I've had my teeth fixed and you can't tell at all. It feels absolutely fine, with no pain relief, with no needles, no injections, no numbing cream, a little bit of aching afterwards, but nothing more than I had before when I had a cracked tooth. So certainly I just wanted to pop on late tonight because I've been out for a lovely meal, been able to eat for the first time in a week, and yeah, no pain, no tearing of the tongue where the sharp edge of my tooth was, and all with no injections, no needles, no numbing cream, and that makes me super happy. So it just proves to you the power of our own mind. If we tell our mind good things, that's what our mind creates for us. So I'm in a really good mood tonight. It is my 6th wedding anniversary to my beautiful, wonderful Stuart tomorrow. So we've gone out for a nice celebratory meal tonight. and I'm pain free. So I just wanted to drop on here today to tell you, so can you be. So if you have got a fear about dentists, this absolutely works. It's worked for me, not because of a fear, more that I didn't want to feel the pain, and I didn't. So good night, everyone. Tomorrow's Sunday here in the UK. Have a wonderful Sunday wherever you are in the world. And remember, inspire to achieve and achieve to inspire. God bless you all. Good night.